Hello, and welcome to this tutorial for the Humap interactive map platform. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create and manage map projects and users via the subscription platform. After you've signed up to Humap, we will create your Humap subscription admin account. You'll receive an email asking you to create a password and be granted access to your subscription dashboard. To access the subscription dashboard, go to subscription.humap.site. If you are not logged in, it will redirect you to subscription.humap.site/users/sign_in. You can then use your email and password to sign in from this screen. If you would like to stay logged in, click Remember Me. This is the subscription dashboard. It gives you a range of control options over the projects and users on your subscription. By default, the subscription platform will come with no created map projects, although we can create one for you to start with if desired. Let's create a new project. From the subscription dashboard or the projects dashboard, click Create New Project in the top right corner of the screen. Type the name of your project in the box labeled Project Name. This will auto-generate a URL in the box below and let you know if it's available. Click inside the box and start to type if you would like to manually change the URL. You can change the title and URL at a later date. You can also buy a custom URL that does not end with .humap.site for your project. Click Save New Project. Scroll through the list of available features and indicate using the checkboxes which features you would like to use for that project. If you would like to use a feature marked as Humap only, please get in touch with us. When you've selected the features, click Update Project in the top right-hand corner. When you create a project, your name and email will automatically appear in the project users list. If you would like to add or remove features from an existing project, click Manage Features either on the home screen or the project's dashboard. You can then select or unselect the desired features and apply the changes by clicking Update Project. Your project is now live. Across the top of the page, you will have several buttons. Clicking Map will take you to the map screen of your project. The map will be blank and centered on London until you start to populate it. Clicking Homepage will take you to the homepage for your project's website. Please note that unless you have enabled web pages for this project and a web page has been created in the content management system, a homepage will not be available and an error message will appear. Clicking Admin will take you to the admin content management system of your project. This is where you'll create and curate your content. Video tutorials can be found on our YouTube channel, and text and image tutorials can be found on our website. Your project will also appear on your subscriptions and projects dashboards. Okay, we have a project. Let's add some users. Click Add New User, either in your subscription dashboard or users dashboard. Type the person's name into the name box and their email address into the email box. Below you will see a list of available projects with levels of access indicated by tick boxes. You will need to deselect No Access before you can select Contributor or Administrator. A contributor can add content, for example records or trails, to the map, but cannot create web pages or customize the site. Contributors have access to the Contribute system, but not the admin dashboard. An administrator has full access and permissions across the project. They can create content taxonomies and customize the entire website. When you've added in this person's details and decided on their level of access, click Save User. They will then receive an email with details on how to access the project. When you return to the user's dashboard or the subscriptions dashboard, the new user will be listed below. Click their name for more details. You can edit their permissions from this screen and resend their email invite. Thank you for watching this tutorial for Humap. If you have any feedback or questions, please get in touch with us at support@humap.me.